So now here we are. We've got Poppy in the bath. Now she does not need a haircut. This girl shids, and she does not need her haircut. It remains short like this all the time, which is good news for her. So we're going to do the same thing that we did with Bigsby. Just test in the water, make sure it's warm enough. And then I'm going to spray her down. She is super easy to bathe, so she is like pretty sleek little dog. She doesn't have much hidden. She doesn't have a ton of fur. And she's clean as it is. Like Bigsby gets all that dirt and junk clogged up in his fur. She doesn't. She shakes it off. A little brush, she's good to go. She is, though, stinkier than him. She has that weird dog smell that Biggs doesn't really have.
Ooh, is that good? Does that taste good? Ooh.
Alright, I'm just going to get her undercarriage here. I wish we had smell-o-vision. You guys could smell what this smells like. Right now, it's like a mixture of wet dog and dirt. It'll just be replaced with wet dog and soap smell. Our soap is delicious. It smells like coconuts. Ready? You ready to
Dog
get soaked?
feet sort of smell like corn chips.
Yeah, they do. They smell like Fritos. So now, you smell like a coconut.
And Fritos.
Some dogs don't like when you mess with their ears. Our dogs, doesn't seem to bother them. Maybe it's because we've been doing it ever since they were little babies.
They both have playable ears.
Yeah. But in case you ever approach a strange dog, a dog that you don't know, you probably don't want to grab their ears because they don't really like it usually. Let's get your mug. Oh, does that taste good? Is that delicious? Get your whiskers. All right, you ready for your paws? He's got a nipple soap. Shake. Good girl. Good girl. All right, other paw. You want to turn around? How about I just do this?
It's better if they're facing this direction.
All right, back paw number 1. Back paw number 2. I didn't really point this out on the last video, but you do have to get their underside. And they're not really super excited about standing upright on their hind legs, so you just have to sort of get under their leg pits. All right, you ready to get rinsed? You ready to get rinsed? You're all clean? Oh yeah, and wear old clothes or dirty clothes. Don't wear your good clothes to do this. Do not a wise idea. Play clothes only. Get forward a little for me. Just like nothing.
Stop stepping on that. Take your socks.
Good girl. So you don't want to spray directly in your ears. You got to get like up behind their ears. The stuff like collects in there. And you can spray or wet the top of their ears, just not inside. Almost done, baby girl. You're being good. Say hi to all your aunts and uncles and Nana. wet. All right, what do we think? Did we get it all? Sorry. Make sure you don't have any soap residue because that's itchy just as much as dirt. All right, I think we're good. Now we've got a clean towel for Pops. She doesn't require too much squeezing out because
She just doesn't have
she
that
just
much hair.
doesn't have that much hair. I mean, she still has some,
Yeah.
but so now first thing I try to dry is their little mugs. I don't really like wet faces, do you? Your eyes are all clean. That's a good girl. Whoop. Whoop. You can't get out yet. You're not done.
She's trying.
She is, I know. You gotta get dry first. She's planning her escape, this one. She's like, okay, that's it. That's all I can take. But the more they let you dry them with a towel, the less time it's gonna take them to dry. And that's the most unpleasant part about this whole situation for them, I think. I don't like to be walking around wet all day. Who would? It's not very nice.
Give you an example. Bigsby will look like this for a while. He's
Right, y'all ready to do?
sort of a little wet rat, isn't he?
That's good, girl. Let's dry your underside. Good job. That's a good job.
All right. Unleash the hounds. Nice puppy. She just splattered water all over the place.
That's okay.
So, this is our heater here. So we just turn the heater on and put the little dog bed in front there so they can like hang out and warm up. See you, girls.